Can you believe it? The second day in a row. It's May 6th, one day after Cinco de Mayo. And look what I'm doing. I'm sitting in traffic. Yes, so if you're thinking of moving to sunny South Florida and you think that there's no traffic and you're going to get away from New York or Los Angeles or wherever you're coming from, think again, because look, we sit in traffic. The only difference is that it's 90 degrees or it's raining. What did I do today? I ran to court. Something unexpected happened. The prosecutor agreed with me. After 15 emails, 10 phone calls, and not being able to get anywhere, apparently my size intimidates people. And he said, sure, Mr. Foley, I'll do exactly that. That's fine. That's fine. No problem at all. Yep. So today worked. Then had a meeting. Guess what? Went to the meeting, showed up, walked in the rain, canceled. Guy forgot, didn't show up, had the wrong place, blah, blah, blah. Boom. Drive to Fort Lauderdale. From Palm Beach to Fort Lauderdale. Get to Fort Lauderdale. Boom, guess what? Something else great happened. The case is dismissed. Did all the legwork behind the scenes, talked to the prosecutor, got them to dismiss the warrant without my client even having to show up. Great news. Then went to drug court. Oh boy, sad place. Sad place. Lots of addiction in South Florida. If you have family members, friends who have an addiction, coming to South Florida to get treatment is not a good option. There are more treatment centers here than anywhere. And guess what? At treatment, they get hooked on other drugs. There's other problems. It's a sad place as far as addiction. And I feel for anybody who's going through it. And a lot of folks are going through it here in South Florida. So listen, if you have an addiction, get help, get treatment for it. But coming to South Florida, that's not a good option. There's more coke, X, Molly, heroin, per square foot than probably anywhere in the country. So don't come to Florida if you're trying to get off drugs, because you're going to just have more access to them. And if you're an addict, you're not going to be able to refuse. Anyway, so we're in traffic again, and I'm going so slow. Well, I'm Roger P. Foley. I have nothing better to do with my life than sit in traffic.